Katlego was differently abled. She was funny in her own way. She loved to sing. She enjoyed singing praise and worship songs. As much as she couldn't communicate, as we all know that she has autism, however, she could sing full song with lyrics and everything, which was quite amazing. And she just enjoyed laughing, and because of the autism, like we found that she lived her true self. She wasn't living up to anybody's expectation, which is the spirit that we'd like to carry forward, that every single human being must embody that spirit, just live to the fullest of your potential.
We want to make sure that to conscientize the mind of the people of Mamelodi, and not only Mamelodi, the entire South Africa, to know very well that really we are concerned about the situation that is happening in our country.
Dear police, we are not coming here in a spirit of fight. However, we are here in a spirit of desperation, seeking answers, seeking justice. We are, as a community, confused as to what happened to our little sister.